If I had a budget of 500, I'd start off with an i3-10100F. For my motherboard, it would be an Asus Prime B56M. For my RAM, I would have a G.Skill 2x8 DDR4 3200MHz. For my GPU, a GTX 1060. A Thermaltake Versa H18 Micro ATX case. And for my power supply, an MSI MPG fully modular 650W. And for the storage, it would be a Crucial P2 500GB SSD. And for the CPU cooler, an SE214XT. PS, you can also get this much cheaper if you look on the second-hand market, and maybe also upgrade some parts within the 500 budget, and maybe even get a 2060.